I already signed up. How do I enter? Let me call the owner. Oh, no, we're filming a video. Oh. Thank you, though. I appreciate that. Don't do that to any member.
A few moments later.
Hey, this is the warehouse.
Hi, yes, I'm a new member. I just signed up a few hours ago, and I'm here at the front door, but I can't get in.
Oh, okay. Have you reached out to us for your PDK app so you can get access?
No, I haven't. I just signed up on the website.
Okay. Yeah, that's why we put it on all of our stories and publicize. Once you sign up, you got to reach out to us so we can send you the email so you can download the app and gain access to the gym 24/7. So right now, thank you for calling. What's your name?
Yes, my name's Melanie.
Okay, Melanie, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to look up your transaction. If you said you just signed up, and I will go ahead and email you your email from PDK. All right. And you're going to download the app, and then you're going to activate it from the same email. Sound good?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right. No problem. Look out for that email. You're going to see it in about a couple minutes, and welcome to the Thunderdome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.
Holy crap, it was that easy? Just contact. And remember, you must contact and reach out via email or direct message to gain access to the facility since we are privately secured 24/7. Please do not be that person that arrives upon not having the PDK app and believes that they're gonna be able to get in by someone else letting them in. You must have your PDK app activated to be able to enter the facility. And please do not be that person that calls during non-staffed hours at 11 o'clock at night or midnight thinking that you're gonna be able to get in because you're a new member, but you haven't contacted. So please make sure you contact if you wanna gain access to our privately secured facility. Thank you.